Introduction to volleyball serving.
Serving is the first attack in volleyball and sets the tone for each rally. Learning different serving techniques and understanding what to avoid can boost your performance and confidence on the court. Whether you're new to the game or looking to refine your skills, the right approach to serving can make a significant difference.
Underhand serve, basic execution and tips.
The underhand serve is ideal for beginners. Start with your feet shoulder-width apart. Hold the ball in one hand, swing your other arm back and then forward, making contact with the ball using the heel of your hand. Follow through toward your target. Focus on accuracy over power, and avoid tossing the ball too high, which can reduce control.
Overhand serve, technique and power.
Overhand serves offer more power and versatility. Begin with your toss. Keep it controlled and just above your head. Swing your dominant arm back and use an open palm to strike the ball at its highest point. Snap your wrist for added speed. A common mistake is inconsistent tossing, which leads to off-target serves or faults.
Jump serve, advanced tips and common errors.
The jump serve combines power and spin for a challenging serve. Approach with a few quick steps. Toss the ball high and forward and jump to strike with a strong snapping arm motion. Focus on timing your jump with the ball's trajectory. Avoid tossing the ball too far forward or losing balance during your approach, as this leads to errors.
Common mistakes and how to avoid them.
Mistakes are part of learning but can be minimized with practice. Watch out for low or wildly high tosses, lack of follow-through, or faulty footwork. Repeated serving out of bounds or into the net often comes from poor mechanics or rushing. Slow down, focus on technique, and build consistency by practicing each motion step by step.
Building a reliable serve.
Mastery comes from repetition and mindful practice. Focus on one technique at a time, gradually incorporating speed and power. Record your serves or practice with a partner to spot errors. Consistency grows with regular practice, so set aside time for focused serving drills and always warm up thoroughly to reduce injury risk.
Conclusion: serve with confidence.
An effective serve takes practice, patience, and careful attention to technique. By understanding execution and avoiding common mistakes, you'll set your team up for success. Stay persistent, adjust as you learn, and remember, every great volleyball player started with the basics. Keep practicing and enjoy your progress on the court.